If your Maytag front load washer is vibrating excessively, going off balance, or making unusual noises during the spin cycle, the springs could be the culprit. I'm Ed with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll guide you through how to test and replace those springs. The springs support the tub and help keep it centered inside the cabinet. When they stretch or weaken, the washer can't stay balanced during operation. Don't worry if this is your first appliance repair. This is a manageable job, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering our tools. For today's work, we'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver and channel locks. And don't forget to unplug the washer or shut off the breaker before doing anything inside. Next, shut off both the hot and cold water supply valves and disconnect the inlet hoses from the back. Once that's done, we're ready to move on. To access the springs, start by removing the 3 screws at the back of the washer's top panel. Slide the panel back and lift it off. Once the top panel is removed, the upper portion of the tub and suspension springs will be visible. The springs are mounted between the cabinet frame and the outer tub. Verify that the spring hooks are fully seated at both the cabinet and the tub mounting points. Next, gently move the tub side to side and front to back. When the springs are functioning properly, the tub should remain supported and return smoothly to a centered position when released. If the tub sits unevenly, feels loose, or does not return to center, one or more of the springs may be stretched or weakened. Based on inspection and movement testing, the suspension springs can be identified as the source of the balance issue. Using channel locks, carefully unhook the spring from the cabinet mounting point first. Then remove it from the tub connection. Remove and replace one spring at a time to keep the tub properly supported throughout the repair. Here's the old suspension spring, and here's the new one. If you already have your replacement springs, great. If not, you can pick up the correct ones for your washer at AppliancePartsPros.com using your model number. Install the new suspension spring by attaching it to the tub first, then securing it to the cabinet mounting point. Make sure the spring is fully seated and properly aligned. Once installed, manually move the tub to confirm it is level, centered, and properly supported. Finally, reinstall the main top by sliding it into place from the rear and securing it with the mounting screws. After reassembling the washer and restoring power, run a drain and spin or a quick service cycle with the drum empty to allow the washer to verify tub positioning and balance before returning it to normal operation. Great job on getting your Maytag washer back in action. If you need new suspension springs or any other parts, just grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive in just a couple of days. Follow along with our installation videos if you need extra guidance, and let us know how your repair went in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy repairing.